Welcome back to another chapter. Next, we're going to have chapter 8. We skip chapter 7 in our textbook and go right to chapter 8. Now, due to some time constraints, we are going to just be covering selected topics in chapter 8, and those are going to be the first 3 topics. Okay, topics 8.1 through 8.3. All right. So that's what you'll focus on your reading. And of course, my videos will be tailored to just those 3 topics. What we're going to learn in this chapter is all about fraud and preventing fraud in a corporate setting. So we will learn the definition and the elements of fraud from both our lecture videos and reading. We will learn what internal controls are and their importance in preventing that fraud, again, from both the videos and the reading, and the laws that have been created to address corporate fraud. All right, so that's the lay of the land for chapter 8.